in Sydney.
Oh, may kitchen na talaga. Hindi tayo magano.
Nakakatakot sa reviews.
Kasi ba si review na lang ako nag-reviews. Nakakabook ka na. Hindi, nandito na tayo. Mali pala. So sabi ko doon na. So may dalawang floor pala siya. Yung nakita ko sa...
Isa tayo kwarto. Pwede na tayo sa'yo. Wala may pool?
Sakto, may dalawang baby.
Isa ako na pa kayo. Ako wala.
Hi, I'm Anna, the founder of Urban Forward TV. We're on a mission to make high-quality fresh food accessible to all by building the first ever Netflix-supported education.
Thank you.
Oh, he's again here. I'm sorry. Oh, so this...
Maybe we could, if you have a cart with the plates, I mean the cart that you used to, like,
the card.
yeah.
Yeah.
So it shows you how, you've got the source of the waste being generated. So, the software tells you that really well in regards to the machines are right there in the kitchen area. So that chemical cutter for anything larger than you sort of is, so we can control. So that's used to ensure avoid that contamination happening. Additionally, there's thick plastic.
Hi guys, we're having shoot with the jacarandas. Ha? Jacarandas ba? Tama. Ayan, look! The ube blossoms. With Kuya Josh and Ate Kay! Kasi I'll be staying here for 3 days lang. Ay, second day ko na ngayon. Sulit-sulit lang. Ang lamig guys. Pero kinakaya ko pa. Daming ganito dito. Tapos 3 weeks lang. In full bloom. And then wala na. So sakto na anuhan namin. Look! Ube blossoms! Yeah, ayan guys. Look! Yan. After shoot, KFC naman.
Sweet and chili dip.
Balik na tayo sa Sofitel kasi sabi ko babalik ako for pre-dinner. Birthday! Ay, it's your birthday! Yeah, let's go swimming. Oops. Lamig. Tapos na. We're heading back. Let's go. Drop the used house. Ay, balik na tayo ulit.
Wait, ready ko lang.
It's the most wasteful time of the year. As holiday meals lead to more food waste across Australia, this hotel in Sydney has found a way to turn that waste into something valuable.
Welcome to Sydney's most sustainable kitchen, where nothing goes to waste.
It all starts at the buffet. When guests finish their meals, all the leftovers are collected. Next, the waste is sorted to remove non-organic items, leaving only food waste behind. The food waste then enters the pulp master, a machine that transforms everything into fine pulp. This pulp is converted into organic liquid, which can be used to grow fresh food or make biofuel. Power cities. Circular economy. Everything gets reused and nothing goes to waste.
That's sustainable luxury.
That's Sofitel Darling Harbour.
And that's Sustainably Sydney.
Hi guys! Checking out at Sofitel. And now we're homeless. But homeless in Sydney.
So it's our last day here at Sofitel. It is also our first day of being homeless.
Actually, wala kaming plan, so bahala.
Wala po. Ayan kami.
Pagstayan. Checking out.
Until what time?
You can leave your bed for 2 months.
Where are you from?
Philippines.
Excuse me.
It's also Tagalog.
Oh, yeah. He's
Can you
from...
speak Tagalog? Do you live near the beach?
It's a beach. I live near the beach, BITC.
Holiday lang kayo?
Ano po?
Opo, yeah.
Yeah, personal trip. Pero may konting work trip.
Of course, always. Hey, Grandpa, come and help. You do it all. When I talk to them.
Hey, so it's actually your first time here in Sydney. Can you recommend like a place or or we just wanna like stroll around?
Yeah, come, I'll show you. No. Walk straight. It's all restaurants and pubs. If you go around the edge of the water, also restaurants and pubs. But there is a place, you better don't go.
What?
Crown.
The Crown. Why?
It's a casino.
Oh.
I thought you were gonna say because it's too expensive.
Sure to lose.
Okay.
If you like seafood, you take the light rail. Just take the light rail, the train goes that way.
Okay.
4 stops.
Okay.
And just, they call it the fish market. Very famous. If you haven't got the Opal card to pay for the ride, the public transport, the train, doesn't matter.
You don't pay for
You
that.
don't pay. If the inspector come and check, you just say, I know
You
speaking
just
English.
run.
And then they let you go.
But
Hey, Lolo.
we have
I'm just gonna get the Facebook.
oh thank you.
Facebook?
Facebook?
I do not. And also, take the key and drive the car and then
Ferrari. I drive.
you take the car. You don't come back, okay?
Bye,
Lolo.
Ferrari.
Now I know, Lolo. Lolo.
You're the second Lolo.
It's nice meeting you guys.
Yeah.
Asong Palawan.
Finally, nakabili na rin siya. Hindi kasi kumain ng breakfast. Ayan, nakabook na kami ng accommodation sa Nomad Sydney. Oh! Girl! And pabalik na kami ng Sofitel. And then, balik na kami sa hostel. And then, shoot ulit with the Salis sa Sydney Opera House. Yay! O, kamusta ka naman dyan?
I love it.
Anong falafel ba tawag na kebab? Yan, I love the weather here. Like, mainit, pero malamig yung hangin. This is Sydney! Si Payong Nice. Nakakatakot ang liit-liit mo! Huy! Huy, lalapitan ka nun, no? Yung dalawa na, no? Lumalapit sila. Kuya! Hala! Look, guys! So pretty! Another day, another shoot with the Salis! And nadadala nila ako sa different spots here in Sydney. Yeah. Perfect spot. Walking na pabalik ng hostel and sobrang ginaw. It's like 60 degrees, 70 degrees. Hindi na kinakain yung jacket ko talaga. So cold. So cold. Nanginit na yung kamay ko. Lapit na ng hostels there. And nakalipat na rin kami sa private room kasi nagka-problems kanina. Like, 3 rooms yung pinalipatan namin. Crazy. But good thing. Hindi ko na kailangan ng key. We're here! It's around CBD area only. So, yeah. And I'm here na sa hostel. Hanap ko yung room 217. So, cool thing is, sa phone ko na open yung key. Malik mo yung app. And then, 217. Wala ako. Ayan, there. Sa app na lang, i-open. Like, may app, go key yung name. Tapos, pindutin mo na lang. Cool. Like, parang amazing. High-tech. Pero like, if budget dito. Sige, ayun, 217. Yeah.
Uy, my God, super comfortable.
Buti naman. Nakalipat tayo. Hi! This is yogurt berry sarap. Mas masarap siya sa yaw-yaw. Kasi parang kahit, ano tawag din? Yung kahit anong topping gusto mo lalagay mo. Tapos i-weigh na lang. Mas ulit siya. Sana may ganito din. And I like...
Actually, ganyan ang daming
Hindi
flavors.
maasim yung yogurt. Huh?
Madami ng flavors.
Yeah.
May frozen berry, may plain yogurt, may Nutella.
Oo.
Mga low fat daw. So,
Yeah. So nice. I like yung fruits nila. Ang ginaw! Kailangan ko. Pagsak na namin dito. Naghanap ko naman yung sale na food. Ayan! Ay, hindi. Okay. Naghanap kami ng ready. Ano na. Well, first time namin, lagi kami sa Woolies. Na dito. The fruits are so cheap. Sa Pilipinas na to, 900, 700 pesos. I love the blueberries. Hi guys, so I checked out sa hotel kanina sa Nomad Sydney. Ngayon na si Bea. And I'm on my way to the museum station. At doon ako mag-train papuntang airport. To Sydney International Airport. Kasi I'm going to New Zealand now. Flight ko mamaya 12. Let's go and look at Sydney! CBD. So this one is town hall na. Here's the town hall. Green Victoria Building. And like, yeah. Bye guys! Bye Sydney! Thanks for 3 days. Yeah. Ayun na yung museum station. Yes, nalito ako. Bus stop pala yun. So, mag-ano na lang ako. Train. Babalik akong Radical. Let's go. Kaya natin to. So, doon na tayo pupuntang station. To airport. Sa Opal Card. Hey! Feeling local in Sydney. Commit this life. Oh, here. Sit down. 10 minutes pa. So, wait.
This is an all-stop service to...
Ay, hindi ko alam pupuntahan ko. Hanapin ko yung reverse B papuntang airport. Okay, sinusunod ko yung mga tao. Hindi ko talaga alam pupuntahan ko. Ganda. I'm literally lost right now, guys. Hindi ko alam. Sinusunod ko lang itong mga nakamalat. Sinusunod ko. Good luck. Smile. I think sana tama. Yan.
To raise by airport service, customers for your own safety, please remain behind the yellow line until the train.
Daming tao. It's here guys, sa kabilang side pala. Haba ng pila guys. I finally got my boarding pass. Magpa-check-in na rin tayo. And yun lang, tinanong lang yung date ko, ay yung ticket ko pa uwi. And then how days are stay. So, ayan, ang saya na ang gatlap ng bag ko. And then, hello! See you in New Zealand in a while. Availed for a baggage storage here at the airport.
Bring this one with your ID, huh? Pass me the bag, please. Only the bag, huh? No problem.
Now we're taking the train to the city to meet Bea and Van. Top up. Here. We'll use. Gumana ka? Okay, tapos na rin. Let's try. We're back in Sydney. Totally back. Let's check here kung may mabibilhan ako ng pasalubong. Please, sana may open pa. Wala nang hugas-hugas. There's
Eating as much
strawberries.
strawberries as I can. Because, I mean, we have this in the Philippines, but it's like $20 for
Mahal. 900 yan, girl. Tapos like same brand yung this
I had
ko.
like 6 boxes of strawberries. Trying to catch our fly.
1 hour before the flight.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, yeah, all good.
Once again, this is the final boarding call. Final boarding call.